What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I have a mystery bag of goodies from Kal-Elle Fandom Monthly. Now, they do this every now and again where they'll just put a bunch of different things from probably past bags that they have left over. They just put them in mystery boxes, and I get them every single time. They're always a super great deal, and I'm never disappointed, even if I get duplicate stuff, because I just love their stuff. And besides, if I get duplicate stuff, that's going to benefit you guys, because I'll probably put it in a future giveaway. So without further ado, let's see what goodies I got this time. Okay, guys, so here's my bag of goodies. Now, they just put it all together. I ordered 2 of them. They were $20 each. Now, I don't know if they're wrapped separately or if they just put it all together. I really don't know what they did here, but I did get 2 of them because I just love when they do this. I get super excited to get all the super fun stuff. So anyways, let's go ahead and see what's going on in here. Okay, so there's a lot of these. All right, let me open this up, see if they know. It looks like they wrapped it all together, which is okay. I mean, that's fine. Hold on. Whew. Yeah, so it's all together, and that's fine. So we will just see what's going on here. Let's go ahead and start with all these prints. I hope nothing falls off. Okay. Oh, it doesn't look like I have a lot of duplicate stuff, which is super cool for me, right? Not so cool for you guys. But anyways, Kansas Kaz 2Y5, Carry On My Wayward Son. Don't know what this is from, guys. Here it is. I have no idea. Like, this is an art print from Megan Eris, but I honestly have no idea what this is from. If anybody knows, you can let me know in the comments below, but I really have no clue. So I'm not going to pretend that I do. Ooh, Rainbow Bright. Now, I do have this one. I could probably put this in a future giveaway. Love Rainbow Bright. It was a super cute bag. It was such an awesome bag. But I do have this one. Oh, this is Harley Quinn. I have this one as well. Super cute. So I can put some of these in future giveaways, guys, if anybody's interested in this kind of stuff. So I will just add it with other things. Of course, it won't just be the prints. But, you know, let's see. And then we have Wonder Woman. I also have this one. That was also a fabulous bag. I mean, I love all their bags. So I guess I could quit saying that because I seriously love all of them. I'm just saying, as you wish. This was The Princess Bride. Guys, low-key, I love, like, The Princess Bride is hands down one of my favorite movies of all time. I just love it. I think it's so super fun. I wear the bracelet from that bag where it says Inconceivable literally every day. It's like one of my everyday bracelets now. I absolutely love it. And then I love the As You Wish keychain necklace that I got in that one too. It was a great bag, and I love The Princess Bride. Okay, so I forget who this guy is. What is this guy's name? Oh my gosh, don't scream at me. I can't think of his name. I have no idea what his name is. It's totally escaped me, but I've seen him before. I just can't think of his name. Is it Wreck-It Ralph or something like that? I don't know, guys. You have to let me know. She's the fastest hunk of junk in the galaxy. Well, I don't know what this is from. Here it is, guys. Sorry, I don't have this one, and I don't know what it's from. So I'm doing terrible with this. Everybody's probably screaming at me right now, like, oh my gosh, you don't know what that is? No, I don't. And I have no idea what this is supposed to be either. It's just a picture. So I have no clue, you guys. I'm so sorry. If anybody knows what any of this stuff is, you can just let me know in the comments below. But please don't scream at me because I don't know. Okay, super fun. Ooh! Oh, stop it! Stop it! Stop it now. Okay, stop it now. This is a fabulous. Guys, did you watch, oh my gosh, I can't think of the name of it. Stop It with Will Smith. Oh my gosh, it escaped me. But this is in West Philadelphia, born and raised. Oh my gosh, I cannot think of the name of the show. Anyways, here it is. It is a freaking headband with all of the characters on there. Like, you know, you got Will, Hillary, sure Carlton's on here somewhere. There's Uncle Phil, I forget the butler's name. Do you guys remember his name? Anyways, here you go. Here's all of this stuff. Why can't I remember the name of the show? That is terrible. I watched it all the time. Like, I still watch it this day if there's reruns. That is terrible. Guys, as soon as the video ended, I remembered. It's Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. That's what it is. I didn't look it up. I promise I didn't look it up or anything. As soon as I hit to stop the video, I was like, Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Isn't that the way it works, though? Every single time you need to remember something in a certain moment, it's gone. But as soon as you don't need it anymore, you get it. crazy. All I should have done all along was turn off the camera and I probably would have remembered. All right, just want to pop in and let you guys know I figured it out. Anyways, yeah, that is cute. That is fun. I will totally wear that. Ooh, look, I have a nice fan. How does it open? Oh, here we go. Ooh, it's pretty, you guys. Ooh, yes, look how pretty that is. So I bought a few purple fans that I wanted to use as decor in my craft studio if I ever get that together one day. But this one I will use in my makeup room. I have one from the Diva Bag by Sonia that I use daily, but I'll put that in there too. Maybe I can rotate the two. I don't know. That is super fun. It is killing me that I can't remember the name of that show. It seriously is. Okay, so here's a Harry Potter lanyard. I'm not a Harry Potter fan. I did like the Harry Potter box that I got from her, and I definitely kept it, but I most likely put this Harry Potter lanyard in a future giveaway. We'll have to see. I'm going to keep that for last. Ooh, this is pretty. So this is like fish scales and stuff. Look at this. These headbands are so pretty, you guys. And I do wear stuff like this all the time. This is really pretty. I am definitely happy to have that. It's just killing me. I cannot remember the name of the show. I love Will Smith, and I cannot remember the name of that show. It's just really killing me. Okay, so here's a Rainbow Bright patch. I do have this, and I did get this in the Rainbow Bright bag. Now, I can't promise I'll put this in a giveaway because I honestly might be able to use two because I could put them on some custom shoes that I make for myself. So I might keep that. We'll have to see. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, the Overlook Hotel. That is fun. So it is totally stuck on here, you guys. So here's a keychain. Okay, oh my gosh, can you guys even see it? All I see is a whole bunch of glare. I sure hope that you guys can get a glimpse of that because it's super cute. So we'll go ahead and open this little bag of goodies here and see what she's got inside. Guys, so fun. Oh, I love this stuff. I mean, I love this stuff. It is so fun. What are these guys? They're little ghost looking guys or something. Everybody's probably screaming at me right now. Like, I can't believe I can't remember the name of the Will Smith sitcom that I watched all the time. And I still, it's totally escaped me, you guys. I can sing the beginning song, but I don't know what it is. And I don't know who these cute little guys are, but they are so stinking cute. I'm definitely going to keep them and I'm going to wear them. Those are a darling. I love it. Love it. Okay. Let's put that aside. It's seriously going to eat at me. I'm probably going to look it up and put a pop-up in to let you guys know that I looked it up. I do believe I have this ring. I don't know how the best way to show it to you guys. Anyways, I do believe that I have this ring. I got it in one of my other bags. So I may put this in a giveaway. I don't know. We'll have to see. Ooh, these are pretty. What are these? I can't tell the characters. This is terrible that I don't know what anything is. Wow. Like, wow. I still can't believe I can't think of the Will Smith sitcom. I can't tell who this character is, you guys. I'll try to zoom in on this for you guys and I'll put my hand behind it, so hopefully there won't be much glare, but I don't know. I can't really tell who the character is, but it's super cool. I mean, I'll definitely wear them even though I have no idea who that character is. I don't know. Okay, so I don't want to waste too much time because there's plenty to go through. So let's go ahead and open this necklace up and see what we have here. Pivot. And it's got a couch. What is pivot from with a couch? Do you guys know? I have no idea. I am so terrible. Oh my gosh, I am terrible. I really don't know, but it's cool. I do have this necklace. I will definitely put this one in a giveaway because I don't need two of these. But it's Goonies. Goonies Never Say Die. I'm sure everybody remembers the Goonies. Oh my gosh, I cannot tell. This lighting is just so off today. I can't tell if you guys are going to see this or not. But the necklace says Goonies Never Say Die. I will put this in a future giveaway. Okay, what do we have here? We have another baggie full of goodies. Let's open it up and see if I know what any of this stuff is. I'm on a roll today, guys. I don't know. I don't know what anything is. This is so terrible. Oh yeah, I don't know who these guys are either. They are so stinking cute. They're a little bent. Hopefully I can fix them without breaking them. But yeah, they definitely got bent in there. Anyways, I don't know who the characters are. I'll go ahead and zoom in on that for you guys. And if somebody knows, they can let me know. They're really cute. I will most likely wear them and keep them, but I don't know who they are. Okay, I'm not going to take this out of the bag. I'm pretty sure you guys can see it in there. This is from the Rainbow Bright bag. And I do have a couple of these. I don't need any more, so I'll most likely put this in a future giveaway. So there's that. Oh, the Wonder Woman hair clips. I'm going to keep these because I wouldn't mind having more. Because sometimes I need multiple ones when I do certain hairstyles. So I'm definitely going to keep these for myself. I have it upside down, but you guys get the idea. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna keep those. Oh, Pac-Man. That's cool. I don't think I got a Pac-Man ring. I got the Pac-Man necklace. I don't think I have a ring. That is cute. That is super cute. Okay, we'll try to zoom in on that for you guys, and hopefully you'll get a look at that little Pac-Man ring there. That is really cute. Okay, this I also have. I will most likely put this in a future giveaway. It is super cool. This was from their Halloween bag. And I did get their Halloween bag last year. So that's really cool. And I already have this necklace. Okay, so there's a couple more things in here, you guys. Oh, this was from the Lord of the Rings bag. Guys, these are so pretty. I already have a set, so I most likely put this set in a future giveaway. But it's makeup brushes, okay? This was from the Lord of the Rings set. Look how cool these are. And then here's the brushes. Oh, all the different, I don't want to touch them because I'll most likely put this in a giveaway. And then you also get the bag that comes with them. So this is really nice, actually. So that's really nice that they put this one in here. And like I said, I will put that in a future giveaway because I do already have one. And then I have this very suspicious looking thing. Let's open this up and see what we got. What is this? Damsel in Distress. Oh, it's a makeup bag. A damsel in distress. I can handle this. Have a nice day. It's cool. It's like iridescent. You guys probably aren't going to see it, but it's very iridescent. I don't know if I have this one or not. I really don't know. I'll have to take a look, but like I said, you guys probably aren't going to see that very well. Guys, this was really cool. Totally worth it. $20 each set was. I don't know what each set was. At any rate, the total for all the stuff that I just showed you, I paid $40 for it. 100% worth it. Love it. I think it is very, very cool. And even though I didn't know what a lot of the stuff was, I still think it's pretty cool and I will most likely wear it. So again, guys, this was Kal-Elle Fandom Monthly Mystery Bag. I don't know if they have any more left. I haven't been on their website to see because I just ordered 2 of them as soon as they told me they had them available. So if they have any more, just jump over to the website and get it. I will have a link in my description box below. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! I'm Amber, and in this video, I have a mystery bag of goodies from Kal-Elle Fandom Monthly. So they do this every now and again where they'll just put a whole bunch of hodgepodge, different things. How should I say that? Try it again.